Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add contacts on AOL Mail. So if you also want to add contacts on AOL Mail, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in mail.aol.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of AOL Mail. So if you want to add the contact, what you have to do is look at left. Here you'll be able to find several options. Under the views, you'll be able to find the option for contacts. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, contacts tab will be opened. Here you'll be able to find three options: top, all, lists. All you have to do is click on the all option. Now if you look right over here, you'll be able to find the option for add contacts. All you have to do is click on it. Now from here, you'll be able to add the contact. All you have to do is fill in this contact details. You can also add the photo if you want. Simply click on this. And after that, you'll be able to upload the photo. Now enter the first name. You can also enter the middle name if you want. Now enter the nickname. Now enter the email of that person. Now you can also add the phone number. You can also add the address if you want. Enter the street. Enter the city. You can also enter the state or province. Also enter the postal code and country. You can also fill up the work details if you want. You can also fill up the personal details, fill up the birthday, anniversary. You can also enter the website. You can also enter the notes. After that, click on the save option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here that contact has been added. So that is how we add contacts on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.